So, what is this tool? This is a Hookaroon. This is especially handy when you're picking logs off the ground and moving them and stuff like that, loading them and stuff. So, I'm going to show you the benefits of having a Hookaroon. This is a Stihl Hookaroon. A lot of different companies make them. They're about the same design. Some come with a wooden handle with a almost like an axe head on it type design. This one has a replaceable tooth. That's why I opted for this. That way I can keep the handle, just replace a tooth. The teeth are like 10 or 15 bucks. That way you don't have to buy a new one every time you wear it out or something like that. It's pretty simple. You got your log on the ground, just walk up to it, stab it like that, pick it up, and move it. Got to hit the log though for it to work. And I'm going to leave that in the video because, you know, mistakes do happen. Nobody's perfect. Would not recommend swinging this in between your legs like this. If you do, you know, did what I just did, could miss, hit your leg or something like crazy like that. Always swing outside your legs. Makes it super simple to pick up logs. So, in this design, there is a small little barb on the end of that, right in there. I know it's tough to see, but that gives you a more secure grip. You're going to see some that don't have that barb. Well, if you want a secure grip, but you know, you want a secure grip and don't want to keep hitting it multiple times and picking it up and stuff, it does make it a little harder to get off, but I don't mind struggling with it a little bit to get it off rather than dropping it and picking it up a bunch of times. And to get it out, all you do is simply press it down like this, it comes right out. that's a great demonstration of the Hookaroon, or pickaroon, whatever you'd like to call it. I'll let you be the judge if it's something that you think you should buy. If you have any questions, leave a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thanks and have a great day.